Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I installed the Prova replacement lenses for the Ganador super mirrors and aero mirrors, I don't know, whichever you have. Also, we're going to install the Garage Alpha replacement pegs onto the back. After all that, we're going to put them back onto the car and also show you how to do that. It's pretty simple, but we'll show you when we get there. So I'm going to be going through a replacement. Something that happens to a lot of people is the pegs on the back get brittle and they break off, like on this one here. Both of them have broken off. Basically, there's two pegs on here. One is for the left and right angle, and then the bottom one is for the up and down angle. There you go. You can pull it through. The replacement pegs are from Garage Alpha, and they have an Instagram profile as well as a eBay store. I believe they're about $16 for a pair. To put them back in, pretty simple. I believe you just poke them in here. Okay, so got the lenses out. I'm attaching them to the back plates with the super strength molding tape from 3M. So what I'm going to do is put this back plate inside of a cup so that the pegs are flat, and then I'm going to put some layers of tape across here and then cut the edges off and then apply the mirror. Just remember that the glass overlaps over the whole backing plate, so it doesn't have to be completely perfect. Now we're ready to put the glass on. So you just want to be super careful. The glasses are concave or convex. That is what gives them the wide angle. So if you try to press right here too hard, it'll just shatter the glass. Okay, so now that that's finished up, we're gonna go out to the car and put them inside the mirrors. So let's go do that. Okay, so we're at the car and I'm about to put these in, but you do need to have your key so that you can adjust the left and right up and down on the mirror, because that's what's going to pull the pegs inside. Okay, now that you're right here, you can feel it wobbling. That means you have this inside peg, the left and right, adjusted in properly. Now you just need to press the mirror onto the ball socket. And then you can hear that audible. And we just keep adjusting it to the right spot. All right, so that's how you install the replacement lenses and the replacement pegs, and then put your back plate back into the mirror. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, just leave me a message on Instagram or comment down below on the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. See you in the next one.